Hello student, today we are going to start our new topic, transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentence. One type of sentence can be changed into another type of sentence without changing its meaning is called transformation of sentence. For example, he reads a book. A book is read by him. First sentence is in active voice and second sentence is in passive voice, but the meaning of both the sentence is same. That is called transformation of sentence. There are many ways to transform a sentence. Types of sentence. In English there are mainly three types of sentences: simple sentences, compound sentence, complex sentence. A simple sentence has just one clause. Complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Compound sentence. A compound sentence has more than one main clause. With the help of this table, we can identify the difference between simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. First, simple sentence. Simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate. Express a complete thought. For example, the boys went to the park. We like pizza. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. After that, compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses. Clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, the boys went to the park but they did not go to the zoo. In this sentence, but is coordinating conjunction. We like pizza and we like spaghetti. In this sentence, and is coordinating conjunction. Look for these conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or yet. These are all coordinating conjunction. If these conjunctions are used in a sentence, it means the sentence is compound sentence. After that, complex sentence. Complex sentence contain an independent clause and a dependent clause. Independent clause is also called main clause. Dependent clause, which is also called subordinate clause, starts with a subordinate conjunction. Example, because the boys went to the park, they did not go to the zoo. Or the boys did not go to the zoo because they went to the park. We can use subordinating conjunction in the starting of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. Now look at these subordinating conjunctions like after, before, because, although, when, since, if, whenever, unless, while, so, that, even though, whatever. These are some subordinate conjunction. With the help of these conjunctions, you can simply identify the complex sentence. Now, how can we change a simple sentence into a compound sentence or a complex sentence? This is usually done by expanding a word or phrase into a clause. We simply expand a word or a phrase into a clause. In the same way, we can change a complex or compound sentence into a simple sentence. This is done by reducing a clause into a word or phrase. First, transformation of simple sentence into compound sentence. To transform simple sentence into compound sentence, we expand a phrase in the simple sentence to make it a clause to form a compound sentence. For example, in spite of hard work, he failed. In this sentence, in spite of hard work, this is a phrase. We will expand this phrase into a clause to make a compound sentence. We make a phrase He worked hard but he failed. Now this is a compound sentence. Look at one more example. Simple sentence, you must work hard to succeed. In compound sentence, we make a clause, you must work hard or you will not succeed. Look at one more example. The man being tired could not walk. Being tired is a phrase. We make a clause. The man was tired and so he could not walk. Next, transformation of simple sentence into complex sentence. By expanding a word or a phrase into a clause, we can transform a simple sentence into a complex sentence. Example, simple sentence, in spite of hard work, he failed. In this sentence, in spite of hard work is a phrase. We expand the phrase into a clause. In complex sentence, though is the subordinating conjunction. Though he worked hard, comma, he failed. This is complex sentence. Look at next example. You must work hard to succeed. In complex sentence, you must work hard if you want to succeed. We work hard to pass the examination. In complex sentence, we work hard so that we may pass the examination. Next example, his face shows his innocence. In complex sentence, his face shows that he is innocent. These are some examples of simple to complex sentences. Next is transformation of complex sentence into compound sentence. We can change complex sentence into compound sentence by using coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, etc. We can transform a complex sentence into a compound sentence. Examples, if you work hard, you will pass. In complex sentence, we use if to show condition. In compound sentence, we can use or. You must work hard or you will not pass. Second, we eat so that we may live. The reason of eating is that we may live. In compound sentence, we can write we eat, therefore we live. The reason of our living is that we eat. Look at the third example. I am glad that you have come. In compound sentence, you have come and I am glad of it. You can change subordinating conjunction into coordinating conjunction according to your sentence. Transformation of active into passive voice. We have already done that chapter. We look some example. The children are teasing the beggar. In passive voice, subject, object, object, subject, and according to our tense, we will use helping verb in passive voice and past participle or third form of the verb is used in passive voice. Look at the example. The children are teasing the beggar. In passive voice, the beggar is being teased by the children. Second, the teacher will teach us a lesson. We shall be taught a lesson by the teacher. They have received gifts. Gifts have been received by them. Our first sentence was in continuous tense, so we use being. Our second sentence was in future, so we use be. And our third sentence was in perfect tense, so we use been in passive voice. Next is transformation of direct into indirect speech. We have also completed this topic. Now look at some example. We said to them, you cannot repeat the same mistakes. In indirect speech, we told them that they could not repeat the same mistakes. Next, she said, do you often go there to meet your friends? She asked if we often go there to meet our friends. Next, the teacher said, don't come to my class late or you will be punished. The teacher told us not to come to her class late or we would be punished. These are some example of direct into indirect speech. These are all the form of transformation. I hope you have understood the topic